Hook, have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed your Monzo account number and sort code, but couldn't remember where to find them? It's a common occurrence, especially if you don't use your Monzo card regularly. Well, fear not. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to locate this crucial information in a few simple steps. Building context, Monzo is a popular digital bank known for its sleek app and innovative features. But when it comes to finding your account details, it can sometimes be a bit confusing. That's why I'm here to guide you through the process, ensuring you're never left scratching your head in a financial emergency. Step-by-step guide. 1. Accessing the Monzo app. The first step is to open your Monzo app on your smartphone. If you haven't already downloaded it, you can find it in your device's app store. Once the app is open, log in using your Monzo credentials. 2. Navigating to account details. Once logged in, you'll be presented with your main dashboard. This is where you can view your balance, recent transactions, and other account information. To find your account number and sort code, look for a section labeled Account Details or something similar. This is usually located in the bottom navigation bar or by tapping on your profile picture. 3. Viewing your account information. When you tap on Account Details, you'll be taken to a screen that displays your account information. This screen should include your account number, a unique numerical identifier assigned to your Monzo account. Sort code, a 6-digit code that identifies your bank and branch. Take a screenshot or write down these details for future reference. 4. Additional options. If you prefer, you can also find your account number and sort code by checking your Monzo card. Your account number and sort code are usually printed on the front of your Monzo card. Contacting Monzo customer support. If you're still having trouble, you can reach out to Monzo's customer support team for assistance. Tips and tricks. Save your account details. Consider saving your account number and sort code in a secure location, such as a password manager or a document on your phone. This way, you'll always have them readily available when you need them. Understand the purpose of account numbers and sort codes. Account numbers are used to identify your specific account, while sort codes are used to route payments to the correct bank and branch. Knowing the purpose of these codes can help you understand their importance. Keep your Monzo app updated. Ensure that you have the latest version of the Monzo app installed on your device. This will help prevent any compatibility issues and ensure that you have access to the most up-to-date features. Conclusion. Finding your Monzo account number and sort code is a simple process that can be completed in just a few minutes. By following the steps outlined in this video, you'll be able to locate this important information with ease. Remember, having your account details readily available can be crucial for various financial transactions, so it's always a good idea to keep them safe and accessible. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy banking!